Please subscribe this Vicky Tech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the latest updates. Hi everyone, this is TSM from Vicky Tech. Hi guys, here is the Realme TV which was powered by Android and along with the Google Assistant. It comes with the Netflix, Dolby Audio was enabled here, and also it can enable the Chromecast feature also. Whereas guys, it comes with 3-star power rating, and also on the other hand side, we have seen that there was the Netflix was enabled as we read in the front side, and YouTube along with the Prime videos, and also Google Play and the Google movies also we can able to watch them here. So let's quickly open the sale right now. So my sister was doing all this stuff and she was trying to break the seal. There was this tampered seal, so the top side. So we are going to try to break the seal right now. So here we go. It's almost break, and we are going to make it free from the two ends. And there was a thermocol shade when we have seen to protect the TV on the top side. So let's me quickly open the box right now. You can observe one thing, she was only handling all this stuff, so you guys no need to take the help from the second person, you guys can do it by your own. So she just removed the thermocol shades and she was going to pick up the TV from the card box. It's a 32 inches TV, guys. Do you observe that she was only handling the TV? So the TV does not weigh more, it was just below less than 4 kgs. And also let's see what the stuff inside this card box. So there was the accessories kit that was there inside the card box. Now there was nothing more inside the card box. So let's get into the process right now. So here is we go, and she was going to try to remove the peel the cover, and she was going to handle everything. So finally here we go. The TV was very weightless, the build quality was very good, and also it's very weightless. At the bottom we have seen that there was a 4 speakers. The speakers supports 24-watt speakers, and also keep in mind Dolby Atmos was enabled in this. So let's see what's the access they provided. They provided this manual guide, instruction guide, and also they provided the remote. So let's quickly peel the cover of this remote. It looks very slim, and the remote was doesn't feel weight like that. And also we have seen that they has provided the base stands from the left leg and the right leg. With the help of this base stands, we can stand the TV on the table. We can able to put on the table, and also they have given us 2 batteries, AAA size batteries, where we usually place it on the key remote. And also there was the 4 screws was there inside this accessories kit, and also along with there was a barcode. So we need to attach this, stick this barcode sticker to the TV, so which will claim. And also you can see here is the base stand for the left leg, and here is the base stand for the right side leg. And at the bottom side it looks like this. If you observe the legs ending, there was a rubber finished which will protect the TV when it's holding on the table. And at the bottom side you have seen the Realme, at the below the Realme logo you have seen there was electric circuit. So here is the transistor, I mean it can receive the signal while we're doing the remote functioning. And also we can install the TV by ourselves. So it was very simple and easy, and we can just put the base stand, fit it to the left side, and we can screw it tightly. But here I want to let you know one thing, where is the left base stand and the right base stand, the screws does not getting tight. It was very loose, but I don't know whether it is the manufacturing defect or else the Realme was designed like that. But anyhow, I made it to the Realme, so I was waiting for the response from the Realme team. And here is the instruction manual guide, quick start guide, and warranty card. So all this stuff was there. And if you look into the remote closely right now, so you can see that there was a dedicated lot of dedicated buttons was there in this remote. It looks very slim, and there was a dedicated button for Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and also Google Assistant, along with the volume broadcast. At the front side, I have seen direction button and middle OK button, mute button. Nowadays, many smart TVs was not giving this mute button. Thus, this Realme TV was getting the mute button. At the back side, it looks like this, and also they provided the 2 AAA sizes battery along the inside the accessories kit. Now quickly open the back cover of this remote and let's place the batteries inside it. So the back side of the TV looks like this, a Realme. So the back panel of the TV panel looks like this completely. And also guys, you guys can look at the side angle also. The side angle you have seen there was USB 2.0 port, there was a LAN port for network and HDMI ports and antenna sockets along with AV port. Digital audio output jack also was enabled at the side of the back. At the front side it looks like this. At the bottom side you have seen there was a LED light which will receive our signal while using in the remote. So now it's time to turn on the TV. So if we turn on the TV the first time, we have seen that the Realme TV logo was appeared on the screen the first time. So here we go. On the next screen it was going to set up the Android. And also guys, it's the 32 inches TV, and whereas the other variant 43 inches also available. But whereas 33 inches it comes with HD at a resolution of 1366 into 768 resolution. And also in the meantime it was loading up, booting up the TV to finish to the next screen. But if you look into the full HD, okay, coming back, so you have seen that there was Android. This TV was powered by Android setup. So we are waiting for go for the next screen. In the next screen, by default, the English language was already selected. We need to select the location. So we are from India. So I was going to select the option India right now. So scrolling down to select the option India. So after that, we need to go to the option continue. Then click on OK in your remote. So next, the next step is asking us to press and hold the home key and the OK key simultaneously for this. So you guys can do it easily in your remote by doing like that. We need to press it simultaneously with a distance of 1 meter, at least 3 seconds. We need to press and hold like that. But anyhow, I go for the next step. So in the next step, it's asking us skip or customize, continue. I was going to select the quickly set up the TV, continue. Now here we go. But keep in mind here the TV asking us if we need to open our mobile phone, Google Assistant, we need to say, okay, Google, set up my device. But it is not working right now because we haven't connected the TV to the internet. So first we need to connect the TV to the internet. So that's why I come back and I was going to skip this option right now by selecting the skip. Now again on the next window I have seen the Wi-Fi network. So I was going to connect the TV to the Wi-Fi 2.4 band. Keep in mind this Realme TV does not support dual band. It only able to support 2.4 GHz band. So which means you need to connect the TV to the 2.4 GHz band. At the same time in your mobile phone also you need to connect to the 2.4 GHz band, then only the TV will work. Suppose if in your mobile phone, if you connected to the 5 GHz band, then you can't able to operate. So your mobile phone and TV both connected to 2.4. So finally we successfully connected the internet. On the next screen we have seen the option please wait, which means the TV was setting the process. So let's be patient to complete all this stuff, guys. And also guys, in the meantime, where the full HD comes with, okay, coming back again. It's asking us make the most of your TV. I was going to select the use the phone option. So this is the easiest way. Now we need to open our mobile phone. I mean, we need to pick up our mobile phone. We need to open the browser in our mobile phone and we need to type in the browser androidtv.com/setup, because at the beginning time we skip the option like okay Google, and for that now we can resume here by doing like this stuff. I mean we can link up our phone to the TV by doing like this, and after that we need to enter the code which was displaying on the TV. After entering the code in our mobile phone, we need to sign in our mobile phone, which means we are giving the permission for the TV to log in with our ID. So after giving the permission, just wait for a few seconds, so it will take some time. Successfully we have linked our phone to the TV easily. And the next step, I was going to accept the conditions, terms and conditions of the Google. I was going to click on OK, and also I was going to select the locations by clicking on the S option. After the next screen, I was going to use the Google Assistants by clicking on the continue here. And also a few things you should know. Okay, I was going to click on the continue. Again, get personal support, I was going to turn it on. And also here you can choose any preferred name as our interest. This window will helpful while you doing while you're doing mirror casting to your TV screen mirroring, then the TV access point will show. My case, I chose the Android TV. On the next option, you have seen the Google Play. On the next option, we can talk to the Google Assistants easily. On the next screen, cast to your TV. Here on the next screen, we can see the home page content, the entertainment guide. Whereas here, channels on the home page here. Whereas here, always know what to do, play next. On the next window, we have seen the meet your Google Assistants, and whereas on the next screen we have seen that ask it anything, and finally we have almost done the stuff, ask it to play anything. Here we go guys, here we need to put the password, so you can put your custom password which you can remember easily. So I was going to put the password for myself. So like that guys, you also put the password. After entering the password, we need to confirm the password again. So you guys need to put the password. So in the meantime, in 43 inches, there was Full HD was also available, 1920 into 1080. But keep in mind, Full HD was not valuable for money. So coming back, select the TV mode, the home, and also I just selected select the home screen by clicking on the S. Chromecast bulletin always yes. We give permissions for all these steps by giving OK. TV 200 mode, I was going to select the channel instead of selecting the antenna. But you can do it at your preference and select the TV. Now here is the home screen, looks like this guys. So anyhow guys, I was going to make the another video, otherwise the video became getting more bigger, so that's why. Anyhow we are in the page of home screen. I was going to continue the next stuff in the next video. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. If you don't mind, please subscribe our channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications. See you very soon. Take care. Bye bye.